Okay, this is how it works. So that's the bin shed machine updating Windows 11, and I can just push this button here. I'm updating Fedora on the Dell. I'll just restart that, and then that can install the updates. So anyway, that'll do its thing. And this is how it's all connected up. Obviously I've got to put the desk back. Now, interestingly, the microphone is connected to both computers because this KVM has an additional port, that one marked hub. So yeah, that's a shared device port. So I've got the microphone working with both. And then go around the back of here. I think this is rather neat behind here. And there we go, how both of them are connected up. And KVM just over there. So there we go, I can now use both machines, both operating systems.